Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty sure everyone knows what this is. Let's get into it. So I ordered this on the 5th of June and crap. Okay. Yeah, see? So it doesn't, this knife is getting a bit blunt, so it's taking a bit of effort. I stabbed myself, but it's so blunt. Oh, there we go. Anyway. Okay, very well packed, guys. But there's no surprise there on that one. So this is my very first ever moment. I thought I would give them a go as well, seeing as we've been having so much trouble with our squares, that I should probably give them a go. Sorry guys, be right back. Right, I'm back. Sorry, after the stabbing I thought it was only appropriate that I put a plaster on it because I was bleeding all over the show. So shipping, I think I didn't record that. I haven't recorded when it was shipped, so let's have a look. See, I do wish AliExpress would open up a bit quicker. Okay, so where's the tracking? Okay, so I ordered it on the 5th and it shipped on the 6th of June. And I received it today, which is the 26th of June. It's 20 days, pretty much on par with our normal AliExpress orders coming to New Zealand. Strangely, it doesn't have that little lip where you can pull it out. Okay, right. I think we've all seen on the inside of Every Moment box. Oh, we've got some baggies. Very nice. Alright. Ooh, an orange one. I've only seen the purple ones that everyone gets. 2 bags of drills. Very nicely packed. I like it. I really like it. Okay, cool. Hello. So nothing else left in there. We'll just give this guy a second. Ooh! Oh, why did I think that they didn't do inventory sheets? Very nice. They don't put the bags though. They only put the quantities on these. So, neither here nor there. Alright, so let's have a look, see at Ever Moment. They're doing the lawns at the Scouts Hall behind us, so I'm making a ruckus. Alright, so we got a cute baggie that says tools on it. Can you see? Can you see? Yep. Then we've got Ever Moment tweezers. Oh, these are a lot easier to clamp or whatever than your Hurricane ones. The Hurricane ones seem to be, yeah, they're a lot softer. This is more of a, I don't know. It just feels that way. Could be wrong. Okay, what is this? This is probably a 6-placer, 3-placer, 1-placer. You've got your grippy. We've got 2 waxies and your white tray. We'll chuck that aside. We've got some very cool Ever Moment washi tape. Yes, guys, I must confess, I probably bought the canvas just so I could also have some Ever Moment washi tape. Sad but true. Then we've got some baggies. I don't know whether I'd use them. They're a bit small for my leftover drills, but you never know. We will keep them aside. Okay guys, so what do we have here? Thank you for your purchase. More than 162 diamonds in a small bag and 800 to 1,000 in the big bag. Okay, that's good to know. So you get between 20 and 30 more diamonds. It just shows you where all the places are that they sell. They only sell on AliExpress. They do not sell on Amazon, eBay, Wish, etc. Okay. And then if there's any issues, they've asked that you contact them on evermomentcomplaint@hotmail.com. Right guys, I'm going to do a quick review of the drills, and we'll forward through that. And I could actually talk to you. This is awesome. Okay, I'll be back. Right guys, so all the colors are here, and then we still have these that are extra. That's pretty good. I didn't even need to mark these off because there was already surplus around on the chart, and then these were extras left. That's pretty good. Right, so just a sec, let's have a look at that canvas. Okay, so we've got it split in a bit more than half in a bit. It's fine. It's a very nice thick canvas. Right. Symbols are quite dark, but then again it's not the lightest project in the world, so I'm just going to have to use my light pad. Oops. Filled some glue up there. Let's just shut it down. Alright, it is immaculate. Really, really beautiful. You guys can see in the viewfinder there isn't a bubble or a crease. There's a slight crease there, but nothing. There is some creases here. Again, nothing to be concerned with that I can manage. Okay. And got the other end. Oop. Peeling up the glue there. Let's just stick that down. She's beautiful, or they are beautiful, seeing that they're little skulls. So these are, I call them the hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil skeletons. I saw it the first time on Kitten Cancer's Bat and Diamond Painting. Ella was busy doing it, so I thought this would be quite nice for as my first ever moment, because I'm planning on keeping the first ever moment that I do. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. That is pretty much it for this one. If you like the video, please click the like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.